In the dynamic realm of artificial intelligence, where innovation constantly reshapes our digital landscape, Leonardo AI stands out as a beacon of creativity. Among its arsenal of tools, the text-to-image feature has been a game changer, allowing users to seamlessly translate words into visually stunning images. Leonardo AI's text-to-image function provides users with a powerful means of expressing ideas visually. As innovation never sleeps, Leonardo AI has recently introduced a groundbreaking feature that adds a new layer of depth to the text-to-image experience. This enhancement goes beyond mere translation, ushering in a more interactive and engaging dimension. The new feature, Motion, is our cutting-edge addition that puts you in the director's seat, revolutionizing your creative process. With Motion, users can experience one-click generative video, taking the text-to-image capability to new heights. This feature leverages advanced neural networks to seamlessly translate text into dynamic, visually compelling videos. Now, not only can ideas be expressed through static imagery, but the very essence of motion can be harnessed with a simple click, offering a transformative and immersive storytelling experience. Now sit back, relax, let us start. Navigate to the dashboard and click on Image Generation. In the Generation History tab, choose the image you want to transform into motion. Simply hover your mouse over the desired picture, click on the film icon, and the Image to Motion box will appear. From there, select your desired motion strength on a scale of 1 to 10. Regarding visibility, if you have an upgraded plan, you can choose Private, otherwise it defaults to Public. Click the Generate button, and it will deduct 25 credits from your account. Monitor the process in the AI image generation section. Once the generation is complete, click on the video to enlarge it and view the final result. In embracing this new chapter in Leonardo AI's journey, we eagerly anticipate the innovative horizons it will unveil, further inspiring the imaginative minds that harness its potential. As the platform continues to redefine the boundaries of creative expression, we find ourselves at the intersection of technology and artistry, where words and images converge to shape a future where ideas are limited only by the extent of one's imagination.